Melting snow is such a pain. It'll probably take me 45 minutes to get this snow melted and up to a boil. All right, we got the water boiling. It's time to make some food. Got some beef bouillon cubes, a little bit of salt. I got these little lamb T-bones here and they're already seasoned. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the bone out and cut off the grizzle, put that in the pot first. I'm gonna have some herbal tea here. Oh, that herbal tea hits the spot. Sounds like the wind's starting to kick up a little bit. Occasionally, snow's getting blown off the trees and landing on the tent. It's nice and cozy in here.